Mitraya Namaha. Hearty welcome to VSP 1080 channel. Please subscribe and join the inside chamber of VSP 1080 channel. Welcome. To learn this great secret and stay safe. Stay alert and be watchful. Don't be just carried away. How? How to find the perfect Guru and how to get closer to him? This is a question which looms large before the eyes of aspirants who are on their spiritual journey. Remember, spirituality is an esoteric world, and this is faith field, and faith is fire which can burn down the cranky ones, whether it is Guru or the Sishya. How to find out the perfect Guru? Naguror adhikam tattvam, naguror adhikam tapaha, tattva jnanat param nasti, tasmai shri guruve namaha. They say, have faith in the Guru, have faith in the system, surrender yourself. These two words, Guru and surrender, faith and surrender, are mystic. Who is a dangerous Guru? Who is a true Sadguru? Who are the notorious game players? Who is the pseudo Guru? Whom to trust as a Guru? Who is the Guru to guide us? How? How to find the perfect Guru and how to get closer to him? There are very dangerous people in various walks of life. Similarly, there could naturally be dangerous gurus. In the name of religion, in the name of God, in the name of powers, if incapable people misguide, exploit and ruin the lives of the innocent, in the name of black magic and inducing fears and phobias, blackmailing and frightening the innocent, if anyone labels himself as a Guru, he is certainly a dangerous one. This is to protect the innocent aspirants that the ancient scriptures talked about Guru Tattva, and many great Gurus have proved it before. Guru Nama Smarana Matram Sakala Karya Vijayam Praptihi Purnananda Pradayakam Guruhu Mantramulam Gurudeva. Unless you have faith, you cannot progress in any field. Doubt diverts your goals and stops your progress. Doubt is a speed breaker. Faith is a divine quality and faith is fire, because there are countless stories in the past that many so-called gurus have been caught with scandals, conspiracies, or it could be even blames. It becomes really a tough job to identify the true Guru. It is very normal and natural not to be able to stay in faith for long. Doubt keeps haunting our minds. Nothing wrong. Yes, we need to be careful. These could be intelligent traps. Our ancient scriptures revealed the secrets to nail this. Gu is darkness and Ru is warding it away. Thus, Guru is considered as light. Stay alert and be watchful. Don't be just carried away. Be wise. Do not allow someone to ride you, control you. Guru guides. You will get back what you give, and you will see the Guru at every corner. Do you know who is the perfect Guru? The perfect Guru in this entire universe is Mother. Yes, consider your own mother as your Guru, or trust your Guru as your own mother. Matru Devo Bhava, Pitru Devo Bhava. Sadguru is a superlative word. In fact, Guru itself is Sat, the goodness, and truth, because he is light. which has to ward away the darkness of ignorance. Your bitter experiences might have disconnected you from the individual identity called Guru. Nothing to bother. Rise to the level of Guru Tattva. No strings attached, no obligations. Now, Guru is no more a Vyakti. He is not one single identity. He is omnipotent and omnipresent. He is just everywhere. Any being could be the form which Guru Tattva chooses to guide you. Yes, that is the power of Guru Tattva. Many people want to pursue the spiritual line. There are so many books through Swadhyaya, you are again lost into confusion. You need a Guru. Many people want to choose a Guru, but they are left in a confusion state. Do not bother about the biography of the Guru. You can only know what appears outside, nothing about what lies within the Guru. It could ever be figured out precisely. Imagine the peak of a mountain, a very huge mountain, a glorious mountain which is stocked off, and that peak is your goal. If you ask people on your way, what would they say about the peak? Whatever they say could be wrong. The person who has reached the peak has no time to come and explain you what is there at the peak. You can never know about the Guru. If you keep on investigating who is the Guru, what is the Guru, you just stop where you are. You can never move further. So, why bother about his life story, his birth, his parents, his siblings, his education, his place, his house, the items he used, his bed, his slippers? Why? Why do you limit Guru to these parameters? You are limiting the power of Guru to your own limitations of judgment. Does it really help you to move ahead? No, it stops you. You are gathering information to judge or assess a Guru. If Guru is limited to your judgments, how can he ever play the role of a Sadguru? A true Sadguru is beyond our judgment. That is the beauty of Guru Tattva. Guru becomes endless. You love to surrender to his immeasurable completeness, his Purnatvam, his omnipotence, his omnipresence. The safest way to experience the immense powers of the Gurus, just surrendering to him even if he is not informed about it. Follow the footsteps of Draupadi. Follow Ekalavya. Attain the excellence through your dedicated one-pointedness. You do not need the individuality of the Guru. You are now connected to his omnified power. Guru Tattva is the ultimate way. Once you realize the power of the Guru Tattva leads you. Yes, Guru Tattva is the ultimate. If you surrender to Guru Tattva, you have no compulsion towards any individual. You are a free bird who is constantly guided by the supreme power. Sadguru, thus, is not the person who is outside you. Sadguru is the one who is within you, the Paramapurusha who is your Sarathi. Hridi Kamale Angushthamatrena Tishtati Paramapurusha. If need arises, he is seated upon your tuft region, Tasya Sikhayam Madhye Paramatma Vyavasthitaha. Sadguru is the concept of happiness and well-being. Sada Chittena Anandam Sachitananda Parabrahmam Satyam Jnanamanantam Brahma. Guru is not a Vyakti, he is the Shakti, the ever-guiding light. There are pseudos in every field, yes. They always tend to exit game players and the notorious. They fail to understand the complexities involved in it. They never care to learn or master the trade. They simply manage to manipulate through the basic tricks of the trade. The notorious and the crooks exist in every field and everywhere, every nook and corner. They know very little but dare to show pseudo personalities, doctors, engineers, builders, merchants, writers, what not. There are cheats and crooks everywhere. So too, there are pseudo specialists in spiritual selling. They are the plagiarists in the society. Thus, the identity of the true Sadgurus, scholars, and experts is challenged, but the innocent are exploited, misguided, and hacked. The precious time is thus wasted. The aspirants are misled. They are lost. They are confused. Hence, so much of misfaith and doubt, fear and negativity. Our ancient systems have given answers and remedies for all these irregularities. Whom to trust as a guru? Your own self. Yes, if you convert yourself from the Guru Sishya equation to Guru Tattva and surrender, you experience the omnipotency of the omnipresent Guru. Guru will appear as an old man at the end of the street and guide you unasked, telling you to take a diversion. Guru will delay your travel to the airport so that you miss the flight which is destined to meet with a miserable accident. Guru will divert your matrimonial life towards a divorce to save you from a future disaster, thus connecting the missing links of your safe destiny. However, the ignorant and the unripe student or disciple fails to understand the Guru and jumps to wrong conclusions. The disciple isolates the Guru and disconnects himself in spite of several cautions. Understand the truth. Guru gives what you need, but not whatever you want. Hence, the understandings go thus. When the student is ready, the master appears. Yes, if you are ready, the Guru is ready. The true Sadguru lies within you. Learn the hairline difference between Guru and the Guru Tattva. Guru is just zoolographic love which craves to give you the perfect pathway. To get closer to the Guru, you need to surrender in total faith like Ekalavya. The faith towards the Guru is stronger than the Guru himself. Hence, the easiest way suggested in our age-old scriptures is rising your consciousness level to the cosmic consciousness level and rising your understanding levels to the Guru Tattva levels. You have to stay connected to the Guru at the basic level of understanding. But at the Guru Tattva level, the Guru is forever connected to you. You will be with him as he will always be with you. Now, Guru is no more an individual. He is omnipotent and omnipresent. Guru is omni. Sarvantaryami. Antarmukha Samaradhya. Bahirmukha Sudurlabha. Choose the right Guru not by his biography, but by your conscious guidance. Understand the ultimate secret. Guru is not outside you. Guru is very much within you, inside you. Just as God is formless, Nirakara Niranjana Swarupa, just as God is not limited to a single form, not limited to a single religion, place, caste, creed or cult, Guru is seen everywhere, in any or every form when you awaken the Supreme Being of Guru Tattva. Once you are aligned with Guru Tattva, you automatically catch the frequency. You will see a bird chirping somewhere, you get a message. The plants convey a message. The breeze conveys a message. The waters convey a message. At every nook and corner, you will be guided by the Guru. Your consciousness will tell you that Guru has not permitted you to move ahead and you will stop. You should understand the shrill notes of Guru Tattva. Stay well protected and get rid of the pseudo gurus. Adityoham. Do not miss a word. Please continue till the end of this video. I am going to reveal Khandini Mudra, a powerful Mudra Chihna, a superpower symbol to protect you from the conspiracies of the pseudo-gurus and kutantrics and disconnect yourself permanently from them. Understand the true power of Guru Tattva, which is revealed thus. Srinadhadi Gurutrayam Ganapatim Peethatrayam Bhairavam Siddhaugam Vatukatrayam Padayugam Duti Kramam Mandalam Viradyashta Chatushka Shashti Navakam Viravali Panchakam Sriman Malini Mantra Raja Sahitam Vander Gurur Mandalam Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwara Gurur Satyam Gurur Nityam Gurur Sarvam Prabhakara Gurur Pujyam Gurur Dharmam Gurur Dhyanam Sada Mitra Gurur Sakshat Parabrahmam Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Gurur Vidya Gurur Jnanam Gurur Jyotir Nirantaraha Gurur Margam Gurur Gamyam Gurur Siddhi Divakaraha Gurur Yogam Gurur Bhogam Gurur Dattam Mahatejaha Gurur Sakshat Maharudram Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Gurur Mata Gurur Pita Gurur Padam Rushi Mandalaha Gurur Lakshmi Gurur Vani Gurur Gauri Mahadurgaha Gurur Moolam Gurur Marmam Gurur Kalam Gurur Karma Gurur Sakshat Virat Purusham Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Arka Sadhaks and Shamantaka Upasaks are well versed with this beautiful understanding of Guru Tattva. Mitras who are practicing the secret esoteric Shamantaka Upasana, they know it very well. They are not connected to a Guru, but they are programmed to be connected to Guru Tattva. When you are connected to Guru Tattva, you are safe. You need not be in touch with the Guru. The Guru is always in touch with you in some form or the other. Guru has no right to control you. Guru has every right to guide you and take you on the right path. It is your life and your wish. Let no one control you without your consent. So, Aditya Sakshi, Sampurna Raksha. You have to use your index finger as a pen while drawing the Khandini Mudra Chihna. Mudras are of two types, Darshana Mudra and Likhita Mudra. Likhita Mudras are symbols. They are called Mudra Chihnas, and Darshana Mudras are mudras which are performed like Namaskara Mudra. This is the wonderful Khandini Mudra. You can draw it with a pen in your notebook. It is your personal property. It will protect you. This is highly powerful to protect yourself from the conspiracies of the pseudo-gurus and kutantrics and disconnect yourself permanently from them. Draw this superpower symbol, Khandini Mudra Chihna, for 21 days and chant the Bija Mantra each time you draw 21 times. Please understand this mantra and pronounce it along with me to understand. Agnihi क्षम त्वष्टः, अम अग्निः क्षम त्वष्टः, अम अग्निः क्षम त्वष्टः. The Khandini Mudra Chihna is of 4 triangles and 1 elongated square. This is a combination of 2 triangles intersecting from the opposite directions. The mystic numbers, the numerical tantric numbers are 6, 8, 4 and 9 drawn in the 4 triangles, and A-M-M in any language, Bijakshara, the power sound to be inscribed in the center. You can make a metallic Khandini Mudra and fix it in your puja mandir, in your altar, or carry it in your purse or your suitcase to protect you. When you chant Agnihi Ksham Tvashta, you are completely protected from the wrong people, wrong initiations, and the misguiding, conspiring pseudo-gurus. It is your life and your wish. Let no one control you without your consent. Once you do this, they are just done. Stay well protected and get rid of the pseudo-gurus. Adityoham. Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Let peace prevail. Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu. Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu.